Good day everyone, welcome to Video Tutorials. Today we'll continue on with the multi-part tutorial on modeling a tank. Today we'll create the turret for the tank. So now let's click on the Create panel, the Create tab, then click on the spline, click on Ship Status, then click on Angon, then click and drag the Angon out in the top view. Okay, let's change the radius to 70, that should be enough. Let's make sure size is 5. Now click on Rotate to ensure angle snap is selected or toggle on. Click and drag and to rotate it 180 degrees. Okay. Now we click on the Move tool. Right click on the front viewport. Click and drag to drag the Angon upwards. Now let's right click on the Angon object, select Convert to Editable Poly. Click on the plus sign beside Editable Poly, then click on Polygon to enter Polygon Editing Mode. Select the polygon, right click and select Bevel dialog box. Okay, right click on left viewport, press Alternate W to maximize that view. Okay, now let's decrease the height a little and increase the outline amount, okay, to match the reference image in the left viewport. Then click Apply. Now let's increase height some more while decreasing the outline amount. Increase the height some more and decrease the outline amount so that you will match the reference image. Okay, then we click OK. Now press Alternate W to go back to the 4 viewports view. Let's click on the Move tool, right click on the front viewport, click on Editable Poly to go back to Object Editing Mode, click and drag to move it back a bit to more closely fit the reference image. Click on Vertex to go into Vertex Editing Mode, press Alternate W to maximize current viewport. Click and drag to select these two set of vertices, then click and drag to move them. Okay, let's move them up a bit. Click and drag to select this vertex, then click and drag to move them here. Okay, let's select Polygon mode. Press Alternate W, go back to the 4 viewports view. Right click on Perspective View, press Alternate, click and drag middle mouse button to arch rotate the view so you can see the back of the turret. Then press Alternate W to zoom in to maximize current viewport. Okay, let's click anywhere else, the blank spot, to deselect current polygon. Then use the mouse wheel to zoom in. Select the polygon at back here. Now we press Alternate W to go back to 4 viewports view. Click on Slice Plane button. Right click front view. Click and drag to move the slice plane so that you cut the polygon that was selected previously in half, or approximately in half. And click Slice to add a new edge. And now select Editable Poly and then select Vertex again to go back to Vertex Editing Mode. Right click on the front viewport, press Alternate W to maximize current viewport. Okay, make sure that the vertices at the new set of vertices at the back of the turret is selected. Click and drag to move them to more closely fit the reference image. Press Alternate Editable Poly again. Now press Vertex again. Click and drag to select the vertex here. Now press Alternate W to go back to the 4 viewports view. Right click on the left viewport, right click again, select Chamfer dialog box. Click and drag to increase the chamfer amount. Okay, let's click OK. Click on Editable Poly, press Alternate X to toggle see-through mode, press Alternate W to maximize current viewport. Okay, select Vertex mode to enter Vertex Editing Mode. Select these two set of vertices. click on the scale tool, click and drag to scale it out a bit so that the vertices will more closely match the reference image. You can see the turret is created. Thank you for listening.